Hi, I'm Sarah, film and television editor. But I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. I love fall, and I love Vermont in the fall. And one of my favorite things to eat when I'm lucky enough to be in Vermont during the fall is an apple cider donut with some hot apple cider. Today, I'm going to bake up some apple cider donuts to bring Vermont Fall to Los Angeles. Now these donuts are baked, not fried, so they're not quite like the donuts you're used to, but I promise, they're just as delicious. Let's start baking. Set oven to 350. Zest one lemon. Mix together flour, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and lemon zest. Mix, mix, mixy mix till combined. Combine apple cider, buttermilk, and vanilla. Whisky, whisk, 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 whisk. Cream together sugars and 1 stick of butter. Making the butter and the sugar light and fluffy. Scrape, 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 scrape. Add 1 egg. Boop. Mix, 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 mix. Add a 2nd egg. Boop. Mixy, mix, 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 mix. While the mixer is on low, alternate flour mixture with buttermilk mixture. Bloop, 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 bloop. Mix until combined. Scrapey, scrape, scrape, scrape. Make sure batter is well blended. Blend, 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 blend. Fill 1 piping bag. Bloop, 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 bloop. Once full, snip off tip of piping bag. Fill your donut pan. Bloop, 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 bloop. Shakety shake, shake, shake. Cover pan with 2nd donut pan. I like to tie it together, but you can use clips so it doesn't slip off while baking. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Flip out donuts onto cooling rack with a piece of parchment paper underneath. Brush the top of the donuts with melted butter. Brush, 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 brush. Dip donuts in cinnamon sugar mixture. Make sure to cover them well. Yum! Donuts are done. I wish you could smell them because they smell amazing. Now for the best part, we get to try one, perhaps with some hot apple cider. Got some cider, and I got my donut. Shall we try it? There's cinnamon and sugar all over my face. Feel free to follow me at lucky.treats. Happy baking and fall donut making. So good.